Okay, so if I want to insert the meter squared symbol here in AutoCAD, I've got no ability there. When I click after writing in this text here, okay, I have no way of putting in the squared symbol at the moment, right? The key to doing this is to make sure that the text is multi-body text. So text to end text, double click. All right, now, okay, I'm gonna write in there. I'm going to highlight the number, and then you see that I can go up here now and create the meter squared symbol. Um, Now I can also put that in the opposite there. I can make the letter smaller, so I have no option. Well, I do have the option, so that's multi-text. So I can highlight that number there, and I can go into small number, small number. Okay, there's one where I have no option for it, so I need to go text, txt to m text. Okay, and I can go, that's the squared symbol, obviously there's a 1 there, or the number is lower. So they're super and subscripts, or also known, okay, also can be used for the meter squared, okay, for doing meter squared in AutoCAD. Thank you, bye bye.